very pleased to be here this morning for a very, very timely topic, the Skills Gap Conference.
By 2030, they're estimating that there will be 2.1 million positions that will go unfilled in the U.S. in manufacturing.
This is not a problem that one company can solve for themselves. It's something that will require collaboration from all of us.
And so that's where this summit comes in. You know, it's already been identified that we've got a skills gap. We've got an aging workforce. We've got a lot of people that are going to be retiring. They're going to be taking experience with them. And how do we equip the new generation?
Some of our problems is SMEs. A lot of them are retiring.
We also have a loss of tribal knowledge.
We have a need for a mature workforce. However, we need that very, very quickly. How do we transfer that knowledge?
I don't know about you guys, but I've learned a lot in our summit today about all kind of different things and ideas that I can do differently.
It was a learning experience to come here and understand from all the different industries kind of the challenge in front of us.
I'm enjoying the insight from other companies and the sharing of information. It's just good to know you're not alone.